think this collaboration that the Adani Group has done with Mentoria team is a great initiative, um, because it's very helpful for the workers and employees of the company, and their family members, especially the children, because nowadays there are numerous number of career options, and we easily get confused that what we have to do, where we have to go.
I am so thankful that they have given such opportunity to the employees uh, of their company, and the employees' children will be very helpful. If they have any confusion, they can got out from that confusion. They have done a very good thing. I think it is very useful for the employees and their family.
There are many children around who really need a counseling. As I think I also needed it, and thanks to Adani Cement, it sponsored this opportunity to us, and we got to connect with the best counselor.
Actually, before I was having confusion what to choose. What should I choose the goal in my life? Because I had confusion in what to take. For example, engineering, doctor, or etc. So many things.
I thought of becoming a doctor earlier, but I was quite doubtful about it. That should I choose this career or not? Whether I'm doing it right or not, wrong.
Before the counseling session, I was clueless about what I have to do. I had a idea that I have to go in that direction, but after taking the session, I got the clear view and path that would have to do.
While I was giving the test, um, the questions were very new for me. I thought, oh, like this it will be, and I got myself what I like, what I don't like. So
I think the test, all the questions and the sub parts of the test were very in detail, and it helped me to gain more knowledge about myself, my personality, my nature.
the counselor asked me very good questions, what I like, and what I have did in my past, like in 6, 7, where I had have I participated in any competitions and all. Um, so I honestly answered her, and she told me okay. She told me to participate in many competitions also, and she told me to be bold.
I don't usually communicate with any new person so easily the way I did with her, and I think she helped me a lot.
I think I was very lucky to have my session with the teacher, and she was very concerned about all the things like what I am good at and what I am bad at, and she explained me in detail everything, and she connected to me very nicely. I felt like I'm talking to my family member or someone, like my teacher or other, and she helped me to improve certain traits that I have and where I have to work on more.
Earlier, we know the only engineering, doctor, medical engineering, and some other professionals. After first day they inaugurated this Mentoria program, no? Then we know that there are 12,000 opportunities. So it is a very good initiative, and Adani, I thankful to Adani Parivar to thought that they have to support their employees' children.
During the counseling session, the counselor was so effective that her questions or whatever she had guided in my daughter was quite efficient, and it will help us to get a right path on the right road.
Very good initiative by Adani Group for our children to take decisions to choose right path for their career. It's a very nice, and the first time it has happened in my life that such a nice program has initiated by Adani Group.